Good morning, good morning, good morning, Philippines. Good morning, universe. Good morning, world. I'm just joking here, guys. Hi, good morning, subscribers. How are you today? Today is November 1 here, around 9 o'clock in the morning. But I am so busy in the morning here. Look at what I did here, guys. Oh, lots of job to be pulled here. I clean it here. Then I move that plants there. And there is a wood standing here, but no more. I took it out. I move it at the backyard. So now what I did is I'm cleaning the yard. So this is the last area that I need to finish. All kinds of dead leaves, then weeds needs to be pulled, so it won't grow uh, plenty like this. Need to pull that so they won't grow. There, I almost finished there. And here on my garden, finished now, but I have Mickey here, but I need to what a nice garden. I need to throw the garbage here. That one I'm going to segregate the plastic and then with the dead leaves. So it's so clean now here, my garden, guys. Very clean. See what Lando did here, guys. I let him build a shelves here. So nice. All around. So very nice. Lots of dead leaves here. Oh, these are my sucker tomato. I need to replant now to the pots. They're ready to plant. My pichay here, they're still okay. I need to harvest soon. The pichay. This one needs to be harvested too. Nice healthy pichay. Very nice. This side too needs to transplant to the big pots so they will get bigger. And my ginger, guys. See my ginger. Wow. Nice. Nice ginger. So I have a lot of dead leaves here to be carried on my succulent, guys. They're pretty nice. So lovely. This one, so cute. Nice. Okay. Then I still have more sakya here at the back. There. So many going on my garden, guys. Because we're just so busy and last week. So let's go here to my tomato. So my cherry give up. I don't know what's happening here, but the rest here they're doing good. A lot of tomato. Daming tomato dito. Ang dami naman. Ba't mayroong ants dito? Look at. See? Far ants. And soon they will eat the tomato. Laki pa naman ng tomato ko. Wow. Ang lasog ng tomato ko, guys. Here. Mga malusog. That's it. Oh, there is a ripe now. One piece. Nice tomato. You have so many water here now. A lot of water. So I need to finish my job, guys. I'll be back later. Hey everyone, finish. I'm done. Done sweeping all the yard. Oh, my feet is so sore now, really. I don't know. My left feet is getting numb, the buttock. Super sore. I need to hang this one after this taking a video. Finish now, guys. Sweeping my yard here. My garden. Finish. Very nice. Clean now. Fresh air and so quiet. Very, very quiet. Let's take a look here, guys. My taro. Ang gabi ko. Ang gabi. See, guys. Takway. Takway in Bisaya, guys. So, marami na akong matikulisan. Itanim. Ito din. Tanim ko yan. Here. Wow. Pero hindi ko po alam paano magluto ng taro. Ang alam ko lang is takway. Ito. But the stem, hindi ko po alam. Hintayin ko po yung papa ko. Hintayin ko yung mama ko papunta dito ngayong bulan. Ano ba yan ang Tagalog ko na? Nakakatawa. Hala. Nawa, oh. See? Yung akong mga pepper. Nangunod na. Daghan kay mig harvest, guys, pepper. Yesterday afternoon, Philip harvesting bell pepper again, and then after he harvest, he make a canning pepper. He did a good job on that canning. Akong lettuce, guys. Nawa akong lettuce. Guwang na. Odd lettuce. So many leaves, seedlings. Ano sa matang labubo? Taga ka. So, hindi kaya akong kuan, guys. Akong lantay. Ang akong bench here, guys. Very nice my bench. Nice to sit down here and relax. With the shades. A lot of shades. But this time, no shades because the sun is sitting there around 11 o'clock. So nice to stay here, but 8 to 10 sun is center here. But that's okay, so they have sun here. My vegetables will be healthy. Look, now good guys. Nice arrangement. Very nice arrangement. Punta tayo sa ano guys. Let's move to the front yard, the main. See? Linis na, ang linis. Malinis na po ang paligid namin. Ganda na pong tingnan. Kana, lami. While I'm sweeping here, cleaning the yard, Philip doing his garden, and Lando he cleaned the big house. So we have our schedule here guys. Oh yeah, lagi sa kung ano ipaa eh. My left feet is on right rather. Nice na, very nice. Very nice. And my next project here is this one. I need to work on that because it's so messy there. Need to pull the weeds and work that area so to be clean, but for now it's a mess really. So next week I'm going to work that, but it's so lovely, my landscape here. Bye-bye. Bye guys. Thanks for watching again. Finished guys. Actually, I did not fed yet the animals. So poor. I can't work so fast. That's all I can do. I work I just take my time, no rush. That is why the animals will be late feeding now. So they're okay. They're okay guys. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.